Hello everyone and welcome to Weird Panda TV. Are you tired of working a 9-to-5 job and never feeling like you have enough financial security? Are you ready to start earning money even while you sleep? If the answer is yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, we will show you 20 proven and effective methods to create a passive income stream that will help you achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. From real estate investments to YouTube blogging, from e-commerce to affiliate marketing, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how you can start earning money passively today. Number 1. Writing an ebook. Writing an ebook is a great opportunity to take advantage of the low cost of publishing, and even take advantage of Amazon's global distribution to reach millions of potential buyers. Ebooks are relatively short, perhaps 30 to 50 pages, and relatively cheap to produce because they are based on your own expertise. You must be an expert in a particular topic, but the topic may be niche and use special skills or abilities that are rarely offered but needed by many readers. Online, you can also quickly design your book on the platform and test different titles and price levels. Number 2. Online teaching. It has never been simpler for teachers to offer their courses online. Whether it's promoting, outlining, or enterprise, you'll be able to make pre-recorded courses and begin offering with nearly no limits. Comparable to computerized items, online courses can be sold over and over without the ought to hold stock or inventories, in this way giving detached wages. Online classes require some upfront investment. You would like to lay out and record your course and make downloadable assets such as formats for understudies to require domestic. Number 3. Investing. Over the long term, the stock market has produced consistently stable returns despite short-term ups and downs. How to use passive income ideas such as investments to build wealth. There are several ways to make money with stocks. High dividend stocks can be purchased with regular cash payments based on the company's earnings. Alternatively, hold on to regular low dividend stocks and let them go up in value until you're ready to sell them for a profit. Investing in stocks is a way to bypass the need for active income simply by increasing your capital and expanding your portfolio. It is also possible to purchase shares in REITs and earn a portion of the income from the real estate projects you own. Number 4. Sell photos online. Selling photos online may not be the most obvious place to start a passive business, but it can potentially expand your efforts, especially if you can sell the same photos over and over again. You can work with the organization to do this. It must be approved by the platform to start. Next, license your photos so that you can download and use them. The platform pays you every time someone uses your photo. You need a photo that appeals to a particular audience or depicts a particular scene, and you need to identify where the demand is. Photos can be taken with models, landscapes, creative scenarios, etc., or they can capture real-life events that could make news. Number 5. Rental a property. Maybe you don't have the capital to invest in a rental property. Or are you going on a 3-week road trip and don't want your home empty? Working with rental companies like Airbnb to rent out your empty space can do. Airbnb connects homeowners with people looking for their next vacation. People prefer Airbnb because they are often cheaper and more convenient than hotels. This means that as an Airbnb host, you have a high demand for available space. Number 6. Sell handmade products. There are hundreds of destinations that permit you to offer online. A few have particular specialties, such as video diversions or high-quality merchandise, whereas others permit you to offer anything you like. Popular online sales sites include your own online shop Flipkart, Amazon, eBay, Snapdeal, and many other online stores. Making and offering DIY merchandise such as earthenware and dress requires speculation in materials and time. Number 7. Install money-saving apps. There are many apps available today that help you earn cash back, find coupons, and more. Most require continuous effort, so they are not passive. However, Dosh is an example of a purely passive cashback app. Number 8. Have a vending machine or ATM. This is one of the more unusual passive income ideas that so many people don't know it's possible. Vending machines and ATMs are everywhere. It's a great source of passive income. How to make money with machines and ATMs. If you buy or rent an ATM, you can either put it in a location you own or negotiate a profit sharing with someone who owns the property in a more profitable location. You can take advantage of his ATM fees charged every time someone uses the machine. You are responsible for putting cash into the machine, but by outsourcing this work to a trusted third party, you can turn this into a passive source of income. Number 9. YouTube blogging. Passively increases income and ultimately generates passive income. Once the video is generated and online, stop working. Each video uploaded provides passive income. However, you should plan ahead. Movies take a long time to make at first, but once they become evergreen, you may be able to watch them for years. Uploading videos and collecting views and income from them is definitely a passive source of income. I think it's one of those things that can generate a recurring residual income and outsource activities like video editing and thumbnail creation. Number 10. Streaming games. If you're already a gamer and spend a lot of time anyway, why not make some money out of it? Build a monetized YouTube channel through live streaming or as a part-time playtester. Live streaming is one of the most widespread ways for gamers to earn a high income. Sites like Twitch pay for your content if you have the skills and if you can get followers. Number 11. Become an affiliate marketer. Associate promotion is one of the most excellent detached pay openings accessible nowadays. The advantage here is that almost every major brand has an affiliate program, so you can sell pretty popular products and polish your dough. Number 12. Publish Instagram sponsored posts. If you have followers on Instagram, try creating sponsored content. A sponsored post on Instagram is content that promotes a particular product or service, supports compensating distributors for making and dispersing substances that advances their commerce. The secret to sponsorship is to grow your Instagram followers. You should also be consistent in the types of content you post so sponsors know what to expect. Brands love creators who can publish quality content on specific topics. Number 13. Blogging. Beginning a web journal can be an overwhelming errand. But blogging trade models are getting to be a progressively fruitful source of inactive wages. You now do not need to be a web star to create cash online. All you have got to do is discover your individuals in 1 or 2 stages and send them to your site. But if you create quality content and promote it across the platform, you can reach a large enough audience to generate a sizable revenue stream. Number 14. Get paid for your graphic designs. In the event that you have got realistic planning abilities, you'll be sitting in a detached wage brilliant egg. Digital products like graphic design are a great way to achieve financial independence faster because once completed, they can be sold over and over again without much hassle. Become a source of income. As a graphic designer, you can sell a variety of products online, including graphic sets, templates, print on demand, NFTs, magazine templates, greeting cards, ebooks, and more. You can also license artwork through Adobe Stock and many other graphic designs org. Number 15. Create an application. If you own a smartphone or tablet, you can assume that you have downloaded some apps. But have you ever come up with a great idea for an app? Then consider hiring a programmer to create your app. You can then sell it on the App Store for residual income. Number 16. Design t-shirt. Sites like Bawakuf let users customize items such as t-shirts. Earn royalties when your designs become popular and generate sales. Even Amazon is getting into this business. Amazon has a new service called Amazon Merch where you just upload your design and Amazon does the rest. Number 17. Holding a patent. Having a patent or privilege, the exclusive right to sell or license anything of value, is a proven and true route to wealth and a steady passive income opportunity. Prevent it from being stolen or copied for a certain period of time. Once they expire, the inventions enter the public domain. You should submit drawings to the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, show that your invention is unique and useful, and hope that it will not infringe any other patents. And often the competition is fierce. Number 18. Buy and flip the website. You can earn passive income by building and selling websites. Perhaps you need to generate some revenue. However, if you have good design skills and can publish content on your website, you can sell your ready-made e-commerce store to anyone who wants to buy it. Number 19. Renting a tool. Renting tools might be one of the more unique passive income ideas, but it can be a great way to make money. As for rentals, you can see the shed beyond the house and driveway. This allows everyone in the neighborhood to get things done efficiently without spending thousands of dollars on individual sets of equipment that are used infrequently. Number 20. Get paid for travel and deliveries. You can try apps to pay for trips for passive income. Trade miles for prizes such as blessing cards and lottery tickets. It's a bit slow to earn, but you'll get some free miles on top of the miles you've earned from flying off, in all of which add up to earn extra money. And there you have it. 20 innovative and easy ways to make passive income. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker, there's a method for you to earn some extra cash. It's important to remember that passive income streams take time and effort to set up, but once they're established, they can bring in a steady flow of income. So, why not pick 1 or 2 of these methods and start earning today? Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.